While the entire civilian nation will be reveling and rejoicing and ringing in the new year, the men and women of the PNP have gone on high alert, all prepped to respond to incidents that may go awry as a result of pyros and fireworks and indiscriminate stray bullet firings. And the nation's top cop has some choice words for pyro bags or fire-cracking fiends who set tires afire on the road and those who deliberately harm people or property by way of pyros or fireworks. Our Ryan Lesigas has more.
A day before the New Year's celebration, the Philippine National Police or PNP has recorded incidents of stray bullet firings and indiscriminate shooting. According to PNP spokesperson, Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, 4 cases of stray bullets have been reported. 3 of them are from the NCR and the other one from Region 9. Meanwhile, 15 cases of indiscriminate firing have been recorded. 4 are from the NCR, 6 from Calabarzon, 2 from Region 7, and 1 each from Regions 9 and 11.
Hindi tayo talaga magsasawa ng paalala at pakiusap sa ating mga kababayan na hanggat maaari po, ang inyong mga baril ay dapat hindi po yan ginagamit sa anumang klase ng revelries or festivities dahil maaari po kayong makadisgrasya ng ibang tao.
The number of firecracker-related injuries also continues to rise, now exceeding 500 according to the PNP. The PNP reminds the public to welcome the New Year safely and avoid illegal fireworks. Earlier, Philippine National Police Chief Police General Romel Francisco Marbil directed all personnel to prioritize public safety and security during the New Year's celebration. The PNP chief issued the statement to ensure a peaceful celebration and to reaffirm the readiness of the police to respond to emergencies, including fires and fireworks-related incidents. The PNP has first aid responders on standby for firecracker victims and vows to support the Bureau of Fire Protection in putting out fires if need be. Marbil warned anyone who burns tires to block roads, hinders emergency response, and will face appropriate penalties. In addition, the PNP chief urged the public to be cautious of the dangers posed by fireworks age proper danger life.
Taas at yung tutultunin na inilalabas po natin at patuloy po tayo makikiusap at hihingi po ng kooperasyon po sa kanila. May mga pinatutupad po tayo, mga security protocols and interventions para maiwasan nga po itong mga ganitong insidente.
Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.